Hi there. Welcome to uVision Software, an innovative software company that focuses primarily on business development. We are experts in mobile app and web development, graphic design, digital marketing, just to name a few. We don't believe you're just here because you want a cool website or mobile app to show off to your friends and colleagues. You're here because you also need more customers. Unlike the other guys that sell you a do-it-yourself kit, we meet with you to learn more about your company, brand, and customers. Then custom build your project with one thing in mind: attract more customers. And if that's not enough, we assign an experienced search engine optimization expert to discuss more options to get customers not just to your door, but through your door. But that's not all. We consider ourselves your partner in success, so we provide you around-the-clock technical support. Yeah, the real technical support, not an email response on how to solve the issue yourself. Because you hired experts, not expert advisors. The best part is, we're much more affordable than the other guys. Schedule your appointment today and let's discuss taking your business to the next level.